You know, I don't know why, but there seems to be a nasty rumour that you can't get Airshou on your iOS device. Well, I've just got one answer for that. Boom. Hello folks and welcome back to the Video Gadgets Journal, and in this video I'm going to try and debunk any myths and rumours that are going around about Airshou. There seems to be a lot of confusion about it since it was removed by Show as a recording application, and then other people have got their hands on it and made it available, and there's confusion about the version numbers, where they can get it and so on. So this video is an attempt to try and help you to get through all this sludge and the mess that is Airshou at the moment. And if you think this is a complete fake, that I have 5 different versions of Airshou on my device, that's fine, you can think what you like, but some people will find it useful, and so watch on. Okay, so the first thing to report is that the free version, whether you download it from Tutu or another web page, this is what's going to happen on a regular basis and is currently happening. The certificate has been untrusted and revoked, and we're waiting for that version to be re-signed so that we can start using it again. Hopefully it will be soon, but as of since about Saturday, so we're talking 48 hours, it's just not working. Very frustrating, I know, and that's just the way Airshou has worked and always will work. And if we just had this one application and one version of it, we'd all kind of understand what was going on. But it gets really complicated because the developers Show, that's these chaps up here, who actually predominantly run a broadcasting service, still actually support Airshou and are updating it on a regular basis. So if you have posted in my comments to go to savagepool.com to get Airshou, fine, you can do that, no problem. But you're going to hit a massive problem if you actually want to record with it, because the most up-to-date version of Airshou, can you see, it doesn't have any recording options. This is now only for live broadcasting on Show's own service, show.tv. It's kind of like Twitch, but it's their own service. And if you want to check the version number of this one that only broadcasts, tap on the I in the top left hand button and you'll get the version number down here, which is 072 or above. Basically any version that is 07 is useless if you want to do actual screen recording to use by yourself to upload to YouTube or any other video service. So please stop telling me that you can download Airshou from savagepool.com, because for most people we don't want it, we want the recording version. Okay, so that's 2 versions down. Let's get now into the ones where you have to put in a bit more work to get the versions, but it means you keep it for longer. The middle one right here is the one that I've installed through Cydia Impactor, and what you do with this one is you download the IPA from wherever you can get it, then you use a computer and a program called Cydia Impactor to inject the IPA into your iOS device. You have to do it every 7 days, you sign it yourself so the certificate never gets revoked, and you can get either version 060 or version 061, and those are the best versions because they produce the best recording quality and you can play back the videos on iOS devices. Now onto the final 2 versions. These are both 061, the best versions of Airshou, and these are both paid versions. So if I tap in either of them, we'll get 061. You have both a broadcast and record option, and just to confirm, the second version of that, 061, both broadcast and record, and these come from either builds.io or Rocket IPA. We'll go to builds first. It's just a URL on a Safari browser that you can go and search for Airshou, tap on the icon there, and you can install it and run it. And as long as you are subscribed to their service, which is $9.99 per device per year, you'll get Airshou signed, and as long as they keep it up to date, you should be laughing in terms of screen recording. Exactly the same for Rocket IPA, which is a bit more of an involved process, but once you've sorted it out, you'll have these 2 apps here, and if I launch one of them and go to the Cydia and custom apps, you'll get the option for Airshou, and this one has plenty of versions of Airshou available all the way back to 033, but obviously you want the 061 version, and that will download Airshou onto your device, and those 2 will work as long as you're subscribed to the service. So there we are. I hope I've explained as thoroughly as I can all the different versions of Airshou that you currently get on your device. And as I say, if you don't believe me, that's fine, but if you do, then here's a bit of a challenge. See if you can get more than 5 versions of Airshou on your device. It's probably going to be unlikely for most of you because you won't want to pay for 2 versions of Airshou,
but maybe I have the most versions of Airshou on an iOS device in the world. What an accolade, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Video Gadgets channel for more iOS screen recording content, enjoy the rest of your tech day, bye for now.